Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Tuesday, September the 20th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, it was a volatile session on Wall Street with investors contemplating what the Fed will do at its policy meeting later this week. All major indexes finishing solidly in the green. Most of the S&P 500 sectors rose, aside from healthcare, dragged lower by vaccine maker Moderna, with its shares tumbling after President Joe Biden declared that the pandemic is over. Industrial and financial stocks rebounded, while tech was the standout, led by gains in Apple and Tesla. And cybersecurity firm nabtrade surged more than 28% after revealing a takeover offer from Vista Equity Partners, valuing the company at $4.2 billion. Anticipation of a hefty Fed rate hike this week has pushed the benchmark US 10-year Treasury yield to its highest in more than a decade. It hit 3.5%, helping strengthen the dollar, while the US 2-year yield rose to a 15-year high of 3.95%. Bond traders are now pricing in an 81% chance of a 75 basis point hike by the Fed and a 19% chance of a 100 basis point increase, with the terminal rate for US Fed funds now at 4.46%. The US dollar strengthened against most major currencies, the Aussie dollar currently trading at 66.9 US cents. Data-wise, confidence among US home builders fell for the 9th straight month in September on rising mortgage rates and the climbing cost of building materials. The housing market index dropping to 46, which indicates that more builders view conditions as poor rather than good. The Australian share market is set for a strong opening, with ASX Futures currently up 0.8%. Oil prices moved higher overnight on further signs of tight supply, with OPEC Plus producers revealing they fell short of their quotas in August. Brent crude up 0.7% to $92 a barrel. Iron ore futures were down marginally, while the London Metal Exchange was closed for the Queen's funeral. The gold futures price fell 0.3% as bond yields rose along with the US dollar. And Bitcoin fell to a 3-month low before rebounding slightly as investors remain wary of risk assets ahead of the Fed meeting. Today we get the minutes of the last Reserve Bank board meeting, along with the latest read on consumer confidence from ANZ and Roy Morgan. While tonight, the US Federal Reserve Open Market Committee begins its 2-day policy meeting. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.